Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Yes guys, I have a brand new Bitcoin and Ethereum 10 million US dollar trade over on Bybit. I will talk about my price targets, what price movements I am actually expecting for Bitcoin and for Ethereum in the immediate short term, and more importantly, I will tell you what I would be doing right now if I would be standing on the sidelines to profit from the upcoming volatility, which is actually more than imminent. I will go into the charts and tell you exactly whether I think the upcoming price action will be green or whether the upcoming price action will be red. We will be talking about that. Let me go here straight into the charts and ask you guys just for a few seconds to sit down, scroll down, and also give me some feedback here. If you want more of these videos where I'm doing TA, where I'm showing my brand new trades actually in a transparent manner, go down, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, share the video with your friends, and leave some love in the comment section down below, maybe some altcoin suggestions and so on. Now let's go straight into the content. And I want to tell you exactly, before I am going into my trades, I have actually a trade here on FIMEX, a 10 million US dollar Bitcoin trade, and a brand new trade open over on Ethereum. And I can tell you something, guys. I will tell you exactly how I am playing the market here in the immediate short term. So first of all, you probably remember this monster pattern I was actually calling just 2 days ago. I was calling for this cup and handle pattern to break out. We have the handle here. Sorry, we have the cup here and we have the handle over there. The handle broke out, less noisy than I was actually hoping for, but we still broke out. Bitcoin is holding strong, was forming this symmetrical triangle, which I was actually also calling to break out over on Twitter. It broke out right now, and this is my micro target for this specific breakout, which is yet to come. Let's see whether we confirm 61,500. Eventually, the target of this cup and handle pattern though is calculated from the bottom to the top and then taking this line over here. And then you can see that this price target would be whopping 68,700. And if you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, you remember the deal. Pulling that from the bottom all the way to the swing high gives us an absolute perfect alignment with the Fibonacci golden ratio. Same with the AB equals CD move. All the same, 61.8, everything pointing towards the crazy price of 68,700. Are we 100% going to hit it? Well, I mean, I'm not a psychic, I cannot tell you for a certainty, but when we are having confluence on 3 different areas for one specific breakout, well, then I can tell you this is probably a likelihood. And this is why I opened this insane trade. I will show you exactly, if you are standing on the sidelines, where to open this trade, how to play this situation. I will show you the exact entry price. I will show you the exact exit price. So stick here with me. First of all, I wanted to show you something, guys. And this is why you subscribe to the MMCrypto channel. If I am showing you this horizontal line, the neckline, and this is the best one I can find, then you can see Bitcoin is basically here right now, basically about to confirm the cup and handle breakout. This is what I've been waiting for. We had the fake out here. We need this bounce here. We need the bounce on the hourly candles, and then we are basically bouncing already. What we need right now is a break above the previous rejection point at approximately 60,200 US dollars. If we are on the hourly, breaking above, closing above, well, then this is already my first confirmation sign for 69,000 US dollars. The last one, of course, breaking the previous high. So standing on the sidelines right now, it's your decision whether you want to trade the breakout above the previous rejection point at 60,200 or whether you want to break above the previous all-time high at 61,800. Regardless what you are doing, if this trade turns out to be successful, this will be a very, very profitable one. The only thing I want to tell you is wait for volume to come in, wait for volume confirmation. Let me quickly go, before I'm going over into Ethereum, which is actually pointing some crazy things in the charts. This is my trade right now, 2.8 million US dollars in a profit, approximately 2.8 million. And here you see it, the magical number, 10 million US dollars in a profit. Of course, you have to keep in mind that my liquidation price is slightly lower because a few million of that were already in before. So this is my liquidation price, this is my profit, and this is my my total size. You know where to go in if you are standing on the sidelines. Make your own research, trade at your own risk, but this is actually an interesting situation right now. You know where I'm going to take profits. I will take my first profit slightly below the previous all-time high, and then of course slightly below our target here. among the 68,100 US dollar levels. Now let me go over into Ethereum. And if you're subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, at MMCrypto over on Twitter, I was telling you at 1,900, Ethereum is breaking out as I predicted. This symmetrical triangle broke out my target slightly above the 2,450 US dollar levels. Also, I was updating you about my new Ethereum long position. It's a small position because Ethereum is more risky, and well, rule number 1 by Warren Buffett is don't lose money. Rule number 2 by Warren Buffett is don't forget rule number 1. And if I want to be listening to something, to someone, maybe it's not in regards to Bitcoin, but in regards to investing and all of these things, it's someone who actually accumulated 80 billion US dollars of wealth. He probably knows what he's talking about, as long as it's not about some innovative technologies like Bitcoin, right? So this is, of course, my Ethereum trade, way smaller size than the Bitcoin trade, but well, I opened it because we were basically breaking out not only above this symmetrical triangle, but also above another confirmation line here. The moment we broke out, this is when I opened the trade and also updated you over on Twitter. And well, if this trade turns out to be successful at this point of now, the increase would be nearly 30%. And this is actually why the Ethereum trades get liquidated or wiped out more often than not. But you need only 1 out of 7 or 8 trades of Ethereum being profitable to make up for all of these losses. For Bitcoin, it's different. We have basically a 100 in the last few months, a 100% success rate. For Ethereum, it's different because of the volatility, because of the higher upside. And yeah, of course, here you can see my Ethereum trade over on Bybit. And I have, this is my trade. You can see it. It's a rather small trade, but I also have a Bitcoin trade over there. I mean, you know that I have, this is my Bitcoin trade, approximately 600,000 US dollars in profits. So that's the deal. I have like 4 or 5 Bitcoin trades open and that Ethereum trade. If you also, let me quickly go over, if you also want to be trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, basically for free, on free margin, I have here this bonus for you in the pinned comment down below. If you go down to the pinned comment, in the very first comment, you get 700 US dollars for free by clicking the Bybit, Phoenix or Dudex link. After clicking this link, make an account with our link down below. You are always eligible for the highest bonuses. Right now, $700 after your initial deposit. So take advantage of that, but only take advantage of that if you are an experienced trader. Let me know what you think about these trading setups, about the trades, and also about my price targets for Bitcoin and for Ethereum in the immediate short term. And a little bit of feedback. Yesterday, I made this April Fool's joke, got like 160,000 views on that video already, more than 10,000 comments, completely record breaking. I don't think any crypto YouTube video ever got that many comments. So thank you so much for all your love, guys. Like, it's crazy how we are breaking records here on a daily basis. Completely beautiful. And remember, we have on the 2nd of April, quickly, on the 4th of April at 10 p.m. Dubai time, and I think it's 10 p.m. Dubai time, 7 p.m. London time, 2 p.m. New York time. On the 4th of April, we have a huge charity event, the biggest one, the biggest YouTube charity event in the history of mankind potentially. So make sure you join us over there. We are building here 2 schools in Mexico, and we have 8 more organizations actually lined up. It will be amazing. We will push a lot of content. Mo will be there, Crypto Jack, and many more people. So make sure you join us over there. Also, quick announcement. I will make another bigger announcement later on. For that, if you want to be working for MMCrypto, we are right now, actually me and Mo, we are searching for 5 CTOs. So I will leave a Google Forms document down below. If you are a qualified CTO and you can, you are very, very good in programming languages and can lead projects, apply down below in the Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.